Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today I am going to unbox a printer. It's from Canon, PIXMA MG2570s. It's the model number. And guys, there is an important information in the analytics that shows 86% of you have not subscribed my channel. Please subscribe, that costs you nothing. Just click that red button, and if you want to get the new videos of mine, you can click the bell icon to all also. And don't forget to like the video, that will help me a lot and encourage me. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. Now let's take the printer and let's unbox it. And guys, this is the printer. It's from Canon. First of all, in the front you can see they have told it's a hybrid ink system, auto power on, and my image garden is there. In this printer we can print black and white and color prints also, and you can photocopy also, but you can't take color photocopies. And guys, the weight of this printer is 5 kg. You can use for printing, photocopying and scanning also. And the compatible ink cartridges are 745 black S, 745 black O, 745 black extra large one. In the same way, color version, it's 746 small, extra large and normal size. And in this side, the safety guidance, those instructions are there. And in this side, they have told what are the minimum system requirements that you want to use this printer for. We can use from Windows XP 32-bit, Windows Vista SP, Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 and 8 and Windows 10 also. And when it comes to Mac OSs, you can use from Mac OS version 10.7.5 to later versions, and the display minimum should be 1024 into 768. And you can use this for mobile devices also. That's only for one mobile, that's Windows RT, it should be there. And in this box you can find the printer and one color cartridge and one black cartridge, and the power cord and the USB A to USB B that will be connected to this printer, and a CD drive and manual and other paperworks. Now let's take the printer out. First of all, the power cords are there. We'll keep this aside, and the printer is here. Be careful. This is little bit heavy. And what else in the box? There are some paperworks and the CD drive. We don't need these things, we'll keep this aside, the paperworks and the CD drive. This is the power cord you can use to power this and connect to the laptop or your PC. Now let's take it out. This is the printer. As soon as you take out of the box this printer, there is a logo in the front and a PIXMA logo here, and the model number MG2570s, and the power button and the power LED, and the three LEDs are there. One is for damage of the printer's black ink indicator and the color ink indicator, and there are another two more buttons. One is for stop an emergency case, you can stop it immediately, and the other two are to select black or color version that you want to print out the printouts. There is a small lid you can open and insert the paper sizes. They have indicated here 4x6, 5x7, A5, B5 and A4 and LTR paper sizes. And in this printer you can scan also. After you open the second lid, from here you can scan a paper up to LTR size paper, minimum any size that you want. Now I'll show how to install the cartridges that are included in the box. First you should open from this side, and just these are the two cartridges. This is the black version and this is the colored version. You should not touch this bar where is the place where the ink is provided to the printer from this cartridge. First of all, you should install the black one that will be in the right side of the printer's cartridge. Just insert and a little bit force. The colored version also the same thing. They have put a sticker to instruction how to install the cartridges also. Now let's see the ports. There are two ports here. The one is USB-B type, that is to connect to your PC or laptop, anything you want, and the power, that's all. And there is a paper protector from falling down, the printed notes and those things. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. I will show how to set up this printer to a laptop or PC using those cables, and there is a software also you should download. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see in a new video. Until then, thank you. Bye. Peace.